Hello everyone. Today we going to discuss about the Invertebrata 1 Unit 2 for BSc Zoology students first year. So the topic is Protozoa, general characters and classification details. Protozoa may be defined as microscopic acellular animals existing singly or in colonies without tissues and organs having one or more nuclei. So these are all the examples of Protozoa like Plasmodium, Euglena, Paramecium, Amoeba, Proteus. So some of the characteristics are like Protozoa. So more than 50,000 species known we have. Protozoans exhibits mainly two forms like a free living organism and a parasitic organism. Free living means aquatic, freshwater and seawater habitat organism. Parasitic, that is ectoparasite and endoparasitic organisms. They are also common cell in habitat. They are small, usually microscopic, not visualized without a microscope. They are simplest and primitive of all animals. They have simple body organization, that is a protoplasmic grade of organization. The body is unicellular without tissues and organs. They have one or more nuclei which are monomorphic or dimorphic. Body naked or bounded by a follicle, but in some forms may be covered with the shells and often provided with the internal skeletal system. They are solitary or colonial. Body shape variable may be spherical, oval, elongated or flattened. Body symmetry either non or bilateral or radial or spherical. Body form usually constant, varied in some while changing with environment or age in many. Body protoplasm is differentiated into an outer ectoplasm and an inner endoplasm. The single cell body perform all the essential and vital activities which characterize the animal body. Hence only subcellular physiological division of labor. Locomotory organs are finger like a pseudopodia, whip like flagella, hair like cilia are known. Nutrition may be holozoic like animal, holophytic like a plant, saprozoic, that means a parasitic organisms. Digestion occurs intracellularly, which takes place inside the food vacuoles. Respiration occurs by diffusion through the general body surface. Excretion occurs through the general body surface, but in some forms through a temporary opening in an ectoplasm or through a permanent pore called cytophagy. Contractile vacuole perform osmoregulation in freshwater forms and also help in removing excretory products. Reproduction, asexual, that means a binary or multifission, budding formation, sporulation. Sometimes sexual reproduction like conjugation, hologamy, game formation, that means syngamy. The life cycle often complicated with alteration of sexual and asexual phases, alteration of generation. Encystment commonly occurs to resist unfavorable condition of food temperature and moisture and also help in dispersal. The single-celled individual not differentiated into somatoplasm and germplasm, therefore exempt from natural death, which is the price paid for the body. Protozoans exhibits mainly two forms of life, free living as well as parasitic. For example, Euglena, Amoeba, Plasmodium, Paramecium, Podophyra, etc. The classification of phylum Protozoa is a large and varied group and possesses a complication in its classification. The conventional scheme followed by Hyman 1940, Heikman 1961 and Storer 1965 etc. recognizes two subphyla on the basis of organs of locomotion, and 5 classes are as follows. So this is the flow chart of Protozoa classification details of phylum. There are Sarcomasticophora, Sporozoa and Nidospora, Ciliophora. Likewise, Sarcomasticophora under the superclasses, divided into superclasses like Masticophora, Oplinata, Sarcoidina. The superclass again divided into class Phytomasticophora, Zoomasticophora. The Sporozoa divided into classes Teleospora, Taxoplasmia, Haplosporia. The superclass of Sarcomasticophora like Sarcoidina divided into classes like Rhizopoda, Phyrophasmida, Actinopoda. The same like this Nidospora classes Myxosporidia, Microsporidia. Likewise Ciliophora class, that means Ciliata. Thank you for watching.